Hi guys, welcome to my video. My name is Adit. Today I'm gonna show you how to use multimeter basic stuff, and let's begin. Okay, when you decide to buy a digital multimeter, you must look for multimeter which can measure voltage, resistance, continuity, and current. If you find it all, well, feel free to buy. This is my digital multimeter. It's circuit CK8301. It's a good multimeter then money can buy. This is a manual range, and this is how do you use it. Okay, let's start with measuring AC voltage. But first, check the cables. Make sure the cable that is in the jack label CON or COM on, and you will never need to take out because the black lead always goes to COM. On the reprobe, something you need to pay attention to: if you plug into the wrong jack, you will be low of use in your multimeter. We're gonna measure AC voltage right now, so I'm plugging the reprobe into jack labeled volts and ohms, not amp set. Turn selector to AC voltage range 500 volt. The dial to measure AC voltage. I'm measuring AC voltage in my outlet 225 volts. Okay, now we are going to measure DC voltage. So the dial DC voltage, and once again make sure that the red probe is in the jack level voltage. Touch the red probe to positive terminal device. Reverse in. And black probe to negative terminal. And you sort of voltage reading. If you get wires back, that is okay. You will a negative reading in your multimeter. Negative. And this is a good way vector or polarity measured in battery. To measuring resistance is easy. Just set the dial to distance setting, measuring continuity means checking is there a good connection between any two points in the circuit where and whenever it's almost zero, like this, resistance between 2 points the multimeter. And will be final setting is the set the dial to buzzer, like this. We can know that the wire is connected to the circuit or not. Okay, that is it. And thank you for watching my video. Peace and goodbye, my friends.